In a key announcement made during a high-level defense meeting in Kiev on July 12, 2025, German Major General Christian Freuding disclosed Germany's intention to procure 2 more US-made Patriot air defense systems for urgent delivery to Ukraine. The final agreement is expected during German Defense Minister Boris Pistorius's official trip to the United States on July 14, marking a new milestone in Germany's evolving defense posture. Germany has already delivered 3 Patriot batteries with 4 launchers to Ukraine, enhancing its ability to fend off sustained Russian aerial strikes. These systems, together with launchers from the Netherlands and full batteries from Romania and a US-Norwegian collaboration, now constitute Ukraine's key long-range air defense backbone. With combat zones across Ukraine constantly under threat, especially major urban centers and logistical corridors, each additional system adds a crucial layer of protection. This upcoming transfer comes at a particularly vulnerable time for Ukraine. Since late spring 2025, Russia has intensified its missile and drone assault tactics, shifting to massive, wave-style bombardments. Utilizing Iskander-M ballistic missiles, long-range cruise missiles such as the Kh-101 and Kalibr, and clusters of Shahid kamikaze drones, the Russian military is attempting to degrade Ukraine's defensive grid by sheer volume and complexity. Salvos often involve over 70 simultaneous airborne threats in mixed formations. Patriot systems, known for their versatility and precision, have proven decisive in recent months. Equipped with PAC-3 MSE interceptors and advanced radar tracking, they can engage hypersonic and terrain-hugging threats with unmatched accuracy. Ukrainian crews, trained through US and German programs, have adapted quickly and shown repeated success against cutting-edge Russian weapons, including intercepting Kinzhal and Iskander-class missiles. Germany's latest purchase signals a strategic shift, moving from donor to key supplier within NATO's collective defense efforts. Though Germany is working on its own production line for Patriot munitions, it won't be ready to deliver until 2026 or later. In the meantime, Berlin's decision to tap into existing U.S. stockpiles ensures immediate availability for Ukraine's frontline defense. The forthcoming agreement in Washington is expected to detail not just delivery schedules, but also integration plans, logistics support, and further cooperation in system operation. With the coming winter likely to see intensified Russian attempts to knock out Ukraine's power infrastructure and command networks, the new Patriot batteries will play a critical role in shielding both civilians and critical military assets. Beyond the tactical implications, this move has broader geopolitical significance. As NATO deepens its direct involvement in Ukraine's defense, the supply of high-performance systems like the Patriot reinforces the alliance's commitment to repelling Russian aggression. Each new deployment not only defends against current threats but also builds the groundwork for Ukraine's long-term strategic autonomy in the air domain. In essence, Germany's fast-track delivery of 2 more Patriot batteries provides Ukraine with a vital boost in defensive capacity just as the tempo and sophistication of Russian attacks reach new heights. The move is not only about intercepting missiles, it's about sustaining sovereignty, operational momentum, and civilian survival under the shadow of a relentless air war.